Ayaneo has officially started shipping its long-awaited Pocket Air Mini, and early backers are finally seeing the handheld make its way to their doorsteps. After months of anticipation and a brief delay, the first wave of units is now rolling out. Here's everything you need to know. The Pocket Air Mini first appeared on Indiegogo back in October, quickly grabbing attention from handheld gaming fans seeking a compact, ultra-affordable device. Ayaneo initially planned to start shipping in late November, but due to platform policy requirements, the date shifted to December. True to its revised schedule, Ayaneo began sending out orders on December 10th. According to the latest update on its Indiegogo page, roughly 500 units are queued for shipment on December 11th. The company also says it's ramping up production to ensure all remaining Indiegogo orders are fulfilled within the next week. If you're wondering whether your unit made the first batch, Ayaneo has provided a link on its Indiegogo page for backers to check their shipping status. As previously announced, Ayaneo is prioritizing Indiegogo backers before moving on to pre-orders placed on its main website. Since the crowdfunding stage is now closed, anyone hoping to get their device sooner should order directly from Ayaneo's site. The Pocket Air Mini is still being offered at pre-sale pricing, which is surprisingly low given its feature set. The base model with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage comes in at $69.99, while the upgraded 3 GB RAM and 64 GB version is available for $79.99. Once pre-sales end, prices will rise by about $20 for each variant. Now let's talk hardware. The Ayaneo Pocket Air Mini sports a 4.2-inch LCD panel with a 1280 by 960 resolution, a 4:3 aspect ratio, and a 60 Hz refresh rate, delivering a clean and retro-friendly viewing experience. The screen also reaches up to 500 nits of brightness, surprisingly respectable for a device at this price. Powering the handheld is MediaTek's Helio G90T, a mid-range chipset capable of handling classic titles, emulation, and lightweight Android gaming. It's fueled by a 4500 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging. Plus, you'll find essentials like a USB-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and micro SD expansion. For controls, Ayaneo packed in RGB-lit Hall effect thumbsticks, Hall effect triggers, X-input vibration, and even a built-in cooling fan, features often missing in budget handhelds. The device also supports Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5. It ships with Android 11, enhanced with Ayaneo's custom Aya Home interface, giving users a streamlined launcher tailored for handheld gaming. With shipments now underway, the Pocket Air Mini is shaping up to be one of the most compelling entry-level handhelds of the year. Stay tuned for more updates and early user reviews as units land worldwide.